Hello everyone, I am Miss Sari and
I'm Miss Lydia.
in this video we are going to explain and demonstrate how to describe and show your project in a video.
So basically, we made this video for math, English, and Matematika ESPS. And we combined these three subjects into a video. Alright?
Let's get started.
First of all, you are going to find 20 different objects at your home, which is made of metal, plastic, glass, wood, and recycled objects. Then, prepare pencil or pen and a piece of paper and draw a table like this one. Write the objects that you have collected from your home according to the material and make a little note in the brackets to find each objects are using made of or made from.
After you have finished to fill the first table, draw the second table which contains only the material and the amount of the objects. Fill the table from the data that you have collected. This table, then draw the bar graph by using this table. And you are going to explain how you draw the bar graph and decide whether the objects are using made of or made from. Draw the bar graph, don't forget to make a space each bar and shading, and please check the second video to record your video.